every day and every night. We'll be together. With the roof right over our heads, we'll share a shelter, yeah. Of my single day, we'll share a same room, yeah. Oh, shelter, time again. This love, this love, this love that I'm feeling. Throw my cards on your table. See, I wanna love you. I wanna love and treat you. Love and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. Together with the roof right over our heads, we'll share the shelter of my single bed. We'll share the same room, yeah. Shelter, fire,
Right, so you have your chicken now. Chicken. Drop in the pot. You have to throw your turnip, carrot. You add your chicken. I remember when we used to sit this part in the government yard in a trench town, observing the hypocrites as they would mingle with the good people we made. Good friends we had. I say. No man, you don't join late, you join the right time, you know. We just started, you know. I just put some chicken in the pot. Making some chicken soup, you know what I mean? Pumpkin soup. Jamaican style, you know. So you dice up your pumpkins. See? Ready for the pot. Night. Alright. You have your chocho. Porridge. Ooh. Is my only carriage. Turnip, you know, feel the turnip. Big up in Spain. And I hope you're following the page from Spain. I'm in New York right now. You know, originally from Jamaica, you know. Wash this, you know. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Save his own belief.
One love.
So when the man comes, there will be none of them. How pity on those whose chances grow dimmer. There ain't no hiding place from the Father of creation. As it was in the beginning, so shall be in the end. See, we all are cussing and sinning, we should be making a bend. It's a war inside of my head, no weapons chase the pen. They will start with a sheet of paper instead of a scar. From everyone is a friend, we are be thoughtful. See, together we can be resourceful. The religion is love, and I'm an apostle. I spoke on my rhyme book, and it is jumbo. I pray it's for everything.
One love remix this.
Get it together before we're remorseful, cause that would be
Oh. Yeah, man, it's a relaxing Sunday, you know. A lot of rain falling outside now, so I soup beer right now. Hey DJ, go on, run through DJ. Don't worry. Don't worry about that thing, y'all. Scrape your carrot then, you know. And then you wash them after. Wash them now. Three little birds. It does, you know, it does. Smell amazing in here. Just started. I think we're going to take out some of the water. One knife, it's alright. Some chicken no coke.
Chicken soup.
clear and nice and clean, you know.
This summer.
I think I'm going to take out some of that water here, you know. But I will load up later and throw it back in, you know.
Refuse to be what you wanted us to be. We are what we are. That's the way it's going to be. You don't know. You can't educate us or know equal opportunity.
Alright. See all of this now? You see me? Turnip, carrot, chocho. Yeah man, big up yourself, you know. Mackenzie, bless up, you know what I mean? Thanks for the follow. The pumpkin gonna mash out inside. Got chicken so far. Alright people. So far in the pot we have turnip, carrot, pumpkin, all diced up, chocho, all diced up with some chicken. Alright? Now we are gonna put some yam. Maybe I don't need all of this yam right here. So rinse off this. Then yeah. Sweet potato. A lot of people don't like using it in soup, but me, I love it. It's good. See that? Sweet potato. Wash this off. Water bubble too much. I'm going to take out some more water. Yeah, I have to close the pot and turn down the stove a little bit. I make some dumpling, you know. Flour. Cornmeal. Some cornmeal dumpling, isn't it? Some spinach. Make sure your hand clean. Make some chicken soup, you know what I mean? With pumpkin, turnip, carrots, yam, dumpling, sweet potato. Right now I'm making the dumplings, you know? Chicken. All of that in the pot already. Big up yourself, you know. You know what the thing going on. The top chef, you know, the Jamaican bad chef, you know. Make sure you don't follow the page, you know. It's easy, just click the follow button and it's stop. Follow the page, look at that. At the top chef. So I make some chicken soup right now. Look at the pot. bubbling. Got turnip, carrots, all that good stuff. Yeah. Yeah, man, I saw it going on. I saw jigging. So it have to need, man. So you know, say the flour nice and neat, you know. So you know, say it done. You know, say no flour, not even a peak. Yeah, because we in America, that's the type of sweet potato we get. You know what I mean? The ones in Jamaica is yellow too, you know? But that's what we get in America. You know what I mean? Still sweet potato. Go and roll up them first. I'm going to take out some of them again. Yeah man, spinners man, that's what them call, you know. Yo, respect, you know. E-money, you know the thing going on, big up yourself, you know. Yeah man, the top chef are artist too, man, we do music, you know. That's the first love. You see me? Yeah man, check out the page, man. Spinners, man. Some spinners, you know. Open and follow the top chef, you know. Me are the bad chef, you know. Soup on a Sunday, a beer rain and fall. Tired of rice and peas and chicken on a Sunday. We change it up. See that? Spinners. Yeah man, big up E-money man, you know the thing go. We jamming. Yeah man, some spinners. You know the soup pack nice, you know. Soup pack rich and nice. Cause we have pumpkin, turnip, carrot, chocho. You see me? Yam, sweet potato. And now we have put the spinners. Look at that. You see me? I make 2 big dumplings now. Dumpling nice, eh? Soup Sunday, yes. That's how we are going to call it, Soup Sunday. No, soup are normally Saturday, you know. But we are switch it up. I will take out some of the water, you know. Take out some more water because the flour may have a lot more stuff to put inside. Now I full up it too much dough, you know. Many more will have to suffer.
Many more will have to die.
Don't ask me why. Alright.
Things are not the way.
They used to be.
I won't tell no lie. Wanna know that the face of reality now.
Go on, bubble.
Oh, what's right to find reality?
Them thing are going out next. Yeah man, big up for the following of everybody, you know. Yeah man, big up yourself at the top chef. Yeah man. Top chef no playing at the kitchen, you know. You understand? Alright, we have some time. You know, Scotch bonnet, we have put a nice one tonight. Alright. Put that one there tonight. But you know I'm gonna bust it, you know? You just gotta go drop it tonight, wash it off. Alright, that gone in there, boom. After that, put that aside. Time now in night, you know, makes sense. Put the time in night. Big up New Haven, Connecticut, you know. Yeah man, me in New York right now. You know? They in the Ville right now, you know? And you don't know. You want about 3 of them here. Wash off this. Mash up it. Drop it in the pot. I will stir it up now. So you full up. Let us know. Clean up your cooking area. Alright. Yeah man. We're there. What we are looking for now? Look for your pimento. Pimento, you know? We have to drop a few minutes. Alright, we're going to use I don't think I use that one now. One drop. Yeah, man. To me, you know, every time I make soup, I tell them this, and I like the noodle part of the soup. You know. They put more noodle than the damn thing. Like a ramen noodle. Look about noodle in the thing. Watch it. I just noodle that, you know. Just throw it in the garbage. That's not good. Normally use 3 packets. And it still go fresh, you know. You just add little salt. Make sure you not follow the Top Chef, you know. Yeah, man. But we're now going to put it inside as yet, you know. We have to make this go and cook down a little first. Ooh, mind the water drop on your toe. Yeah, I got bad. I'm on some chicken back pumpkin soup, you know. So we are going to call it. Some chicken back pumpkin. What? Chicken back pumpkin soup. So we can go and cook down a little bit first before we add those stuff in it, you know. No pig steel in another one here, brother. That one you know, chicken back in this, you see me? Yeah, man. At the Top Chef, turn down the stove a little bit, it go on strong, isn't it? Yeah, man, we're going to put this in it soon. Flavor it up. You know, we'll put with scallion with thyme. Yam dumpling, sweet potato. Turnip, chochok, carrot, pumpkin, scallion, thyme. And we're going to flavor it up with this, isn't it? No, man, no pig steel in another one, yeah, man. We mess with the pork, you know, but no pig steel in another one, you know. And some chicken back soup, you know. Chicken back pumpkin soup, you see me? Yeah, man. You just click the follow button, you know. Big up on yourself, you know. Say, alright, I'm turn down the music. I said this is some chicken back pumpkin soup. You see me? I said no pig steel, isn't it? Yeah, man, well flavorable and thing, you know. We're gonna spice it up with this right now, the noodle soup, them in it and thing. You see me? But we take the noodle out. You see me? I said. Yeah, man. Big up for the fella, you know. Rosemary. Big up yourself. Welcome to the kitchen. You see me? I said. Yeah, man, a trouble in the pot, man. You see me? Make that go and cook down a little bit. Oh, that Renee. Thanks for the follow. Thanks for the follow, everybody. Put some chicken in the soup. You see me? Some chicken back. Some chicken back. Pumpkin, turnip, carrot, chocho, yam, sweet potato, spinach or dumpling. You see me? Pinky, I want to go on. I don't put no pig's tail, man. And some chicken back in the soup, man. Maybe you say spinach in the soup, you see me? The 2 flour float on the top. You know, see, I don't know joke on the top, you know. See, it look like I put the thing in the seasoning in it already. I'm not put no seasoning in it, you see me? It's all the pumpkin that I get the color right now. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, big up, you know. Yeah, man, it look good, man. Wait till it done, it will taste nice. You see me? And trouble, you know. Trouble. Put some pimento in it. Pimento beans, some scotch bonnet pepper. But, you know, I'm going to bust that one there, you know. It's very full and well nice, you know. You go and bubble, you know. Yeah, man, I'm trouble in a pot right now. How much for a large cup? You know, I said the large cup, them winter time we are going to sell soup, you know. So you said this winter, if you're in the New York area and you want to taste the bad soup, restaurant don't make it like this, you know, because they're not going to put too much thing in the soup, you know. It costs too much. But me now, I put everything, yam, turnip, carrot, pumpkin, chocho, sweet potato, dumpling, chicken, well, thyme, scallion, some pimento beans, and we are going to flavor it with love, isn't it? So this winter, just you don't know, so we are going to sell some soup, you know what I mean? We are going to have $10 cups and $20 cups, isn't it? Yeah, man, you don't know what e-money, you know where the link, you know. So keep the link, cause this winter, you know, say, we are going to keep you warm, you know what I mean? Through the snowstorm, you see me? Yeah, man. That bubble now, man, a trouble now, man. You see me? Oh, you know, eat dumpling. Yeah, you can't get anything, man, but anything I want, man. I don't know the top chef there, you know? Yeah, man, big up for the follow, you know? Yeah, man, you don't know the thing go. You see me? So this winter we are going to sell some soup. We have $10 cup and $20 cup. Because on the internet, me see them sell something named Sip Down South. Some whatever that is. I know I say this better than that right now. You see me? I'll put beer thing in it. Beer natural ingredients. You see me? Yeah, man. So just follow the page so you don't know when this winter come around, if you're in the New York area, the tri-state area, New Jersey, Connecticut. Yeah, we are going to have some nice soup this winter, you know what I mean? Ready to put this in it now. So you see what we are going to do now? We are going to throw a little water in this. You see me? Because we don't want it to lump up, you know. You see me? Scrape it up in the pot. That are the soup water when we take out earlier. Yeah, man, you have to taste here now because it wants some salt, you know. Oh my, one little salt though. So you put little salt in it and you taste it again. Oh my God. Yeah man, you don't know. Enough water in the pot, it's kind of fresh, you know. So you just taste it to you add your seasoning to your flavor, you know. So you flavor it up to your taste, you know what I mean? How you like it, you know. You don't want it too salt and you don't want it to be fresh. You want it just right. Let's taste the pot now again. Yeah man, that's it. That's it right now. You can taste everything in it. See that? 2 dumplings them. And we have enough spinners, you know. Make that one bubble up now and we cook the seasoning part of the meat, you know what I mean? The soup, isn't it? We say when we put in the soup, we put chicken, pumpkin, chocho, turnip, carrot, sweet potato, yam, spinners. Yeah man, Pinky, you don't know, big up yourself, you know. T-Max. Yeah man, there's a lot of dumpling in the pot, man. We just make some round and I make some of the spinners, you know, we call it spinners, okay? No can in it. The pot I go too full right now. I'm not too like can like that, you know. So you know what the thing go. You see me? So you don't know this winter, you know, look out to the Top Chef, you know. The Top Chef I go start sell some soup, you see me? I said, it's cold during the winter, you know. If you get this soup, you don't know the thing go. Yeah man. Trouble in the pot, you know, you can turn it down, you know, because if you open that right now, you're burn up. You see me? Yeah man, can't take up too much space, man, you know. I'm not too like the can like that. You see me? Yeah man. Catty, no can in the soup. Pot full. You see me? We have everything else except. I'm gonna see what's going on, you know? I can't see. Alright, that better. Yeah, man, a be a rain a fall in the Bronx, you know. You know, the Mount Vernon side, you know. So you don't know, so nice right now. That ready right now, you know, but just give it the next 5 minutes, you know. You go and simmer down nice, you know. Make sure you know I follow the Top Chef, you know. So you know what the thing go, you know. You see me? Follow the Top Chef for all of your Jamaican recipes, you know. Make we play some music. Yeah, man, soup nice, man. Soup, me can eat that every day too, for real, you know. It's nice, man, for real. See, nice soup now, you can see the time everywhere in the soup, you know. It's no longer on the stick again. You see me? I say, it's when I see that, that's how you know say the soup connect. You see me? Nothing no stick up in the bottom. Why for that? You see me? Yeah, man, soup ready, you know. And so far you're gone E-Money, man. Houston. God damn. Yeah, man, big up in Detroit, Gem. Yo, look, this is chicken soup. With some chicken. You put your pumpkin, your chocho, your carrots, your turnip, your yam, your sweet potato, and dumplings. You know what I mean? Or you can carry gun legal down there, so. But you're safe down there, man. Nobody in trouble here, man. You're safe, man. Yeah, man. Soup ready right now. Yeah. Look nice, man. That tastes good too. This mean this ain't no ramen noodle, alright? Yeah, man, make sure you're following the page, you know, Detroit, Jim. Big up yourself, you know. You see me? Soup ready, you know. I think I'm ready for my soup, you know. I just take a smart bowl right now. I'm not overdo it right now, you know. Put your chicken, you see chicken. And I put a little of everything for sure, I say. And I ram put soup, you know. The pumpkin is no longer this pumpkin mash out in the pot right now. I like yam, you know. The spinners, trouble. Now if you overdo it, we can come back with seconds and thirds, you know. I want the next flour do, put the big one in, right? Woo! This me I say dinner is served right now. Or lunchtime. One of them, because this me I eat for the whole day. Whole night tonight. See that? Rich and nice, you know? The hot man, I can't even bring it from Mexico, I'm gonna see it. See it? Chicken. Your dumpling, you have all, when you take up a spoon, you full of chocho, turnip. You see me? That's a spoonful. You see me? These are the type of soup you're going to get in the winter time. In New York, you know what I mean? Look at that. Yeah, man. You see, lock off the stove. Yeah, man. Mama and grandma, you know? Yeah, man, them did well, you know what I mean? But you know what, so we just come to an end of another kitchen show, you know what I mean? Look at that. You see me, I say? Make sure you follow the page, you know? For all of your Jamaican recipes. You know what I mean? Make sure you get the new recipe book. The link is in the bio. You know what I mean? Big up yourself. We're gone. We're out of here. Eat the soup now. Yeah, man. Big up yourself. Detroit Gem. You know the thing go.